Okay, so here's a good problem about some geometric probability. We have a large circular dartboard, 4 smaller shaded circles inside of it as follows. 2 of the internal ones have half the radius of the large circle, so those are the medium ones. Let's say the large circle has a radius of 1, shall we? Which kind of means we have 1 here. Then the radius of the medium circle is 1/2. Other 2 smaller circles are tangent to these circles. Okay, as follows, tangent, and why don't we sort of just immediately connect the centers as we so often have to. And I can also identify this nice little right angle triangle. If a dart is thrown so that it sticks to a point randomly chosen, then the probability that the dart sticks is that. So basically we have to find the shaded area divided by the total area. And the total area is of course pi 1 squared, just pi. So we have to work out the area of the shaded circles. So we basically need to find the radius of the little circle. Okay, and how do we do that? Well, we can see that I have r there, and since this distance here is 1, the radius of the big circle, then I have r minus 1 as the other leg of that little right angle triangle in the middle there. So I can use Pythagoras' theorem to write down that r plus 1, the hypotenuse squared, in this, let me just emphasize again, we're looking at this triangle. So the hypotenuse equals to 1 leg squared plus the other leg squared. And let's just expand all that. Plus r equals 1/4, which cancels out, that's nice. R squared cancels out, nice, plus 1 minus 2r. So I add and I get 3r equals to 1, so r is 1/3. So the radius of the little circle is 1/3. That's nice. It's 1/3, 1/2, and 1. That's pretty cool. And now we can work out the geometric probability, the shaded areas over the total area. So we have 2 times pi 1/3 squared. Those are the small shaded circles, plus 2 times pi 1/2 squared, the medium shaded circles, and that has to be divided by pi 1 squared, which is just pi. So this is going to be, well, first of all, pi cancels out, so we have 2/9 divided by 1, so that's just 2/9 plus 2/4, and then we just have to put them on and the same denominator, so times 4 in this one, 8 times 9 in this one, over 36, I guess, and that is 26 over 36, which is 13 over 18. So that is our m and our n, and m plus n is going to be 31.